As rapidly growing companies look to upgrade their treasury technology, banking, and payment structure, it's common for teams that rely on Excel spreadsheets and e-banking portals to begin considering the use of an enhanced digital solution. However, one of the more frustrating realities about the treasury technology market is that many available solutions are too bulky, complex, or expensive to be an effective option for many teams. This includes many TMS vendors that are focused on enterprise-level requirements and tend to offer unnecessary or out-of-scope features, along with unattainable pricing and service agreements. Moreover, many of these products do not offer flexible or scalable solutions that give organizations the ability to easily implement new features or expand the use of their systems over time. To avoid these challenges and drive improvement, scaling treasury teams need access to flexible technology solutions that address their core functionality and pricing requirements without adding unnecessary features, complicated onboarding projects, or excessive maintenance and upkeep. Today, this is exactly what TIS offers through our innovative cloud platform. With the TIS SaaS solution, practitioners receive a tailored and streamlined offering for enhancing their core cash forecasting, liquidity, banking, and payment operations. Organizations can choose the exact level and scope of capabilities they require at any point in their growth lifecycle and can easily add or remove modules as their operational needs change. In doing so, they can reduce the use of spreadsheets, eliminate the use of banking portals, and automate many formerly manual and error-prone workflows. At the same time, our exemplary customer support team maximizes collaboration and efficiency with client IT teams when managing onboarding, testing, and maintenance. As a result of these benefits, mid-market treasury teams can reduce manual effort and errors across their liquidity, cash forecasting, and payments operations by automating and simplifying workflows. Maximize visibility to cash positions, working capital, and payments for key internal stakeholders, including the CFO. Easily integrate with their existing back office and banking structure, including ERPs, TMSs, and over 11,000 Bank Connect options. Customize the controls for user workflows, approvals, and privileges, and promote secure and compliant processes across the globe. As organizations engage with TIS, we work tirelessly to take the burden off your internal teams. As our experts help analyze your needs and determine the scope of functionality you require, we can quickly provide a custom quote that reflects the exact level of capabilities needed at a price that matches your budget. This simplified pricing structure also flows seamlessly through to contracting and due diligence, where our digital click-through processes make document analysis easy and hassle-free. Most tasks are managed by our in-house team and partner network, so that your treasury and IT staff can maintain bandwidth for other projects. The result is an easy-to-use and quickly configured solution that provides everything you need to scale, and nothing that will weigh you down or overcomplicate your processes. To learn more about TIS and the solutions we offer for growing companies and scaling treasury teams, visit our website at tispayments.com or schedule a call with one of our experts.